Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Unlock your Oppo and use a data-capable USB cable to connect to the laptop. Once connected, swipe down and select USB preferences, then choose File Transfer or MTP so the laptop can read storage. You do this because MTP exposes files without granting full device control. Make sure to accept any permission dialog on the phone. This authorizes access and prevents permission errors later. Now you're ready to open the Laptop File Explorer and locate the phone as a drive. On your laptop, open File Explorer and find the Oppo device listed under this PC or devices. Once found, navigate to Internal Storage or SD card and locate folders like DSIM for photos or downloads for other files. You should drag and drop or use copy and paste to move items. This is reliable and preserves file names. Make sure to watch the transfer progress. Large files take longer and may pause if the cable disconnects. If you need many files, batch them into a single folder first to simplify the operation. To finish, verify transferred files open correctly on the laptop, then safely eject the Oppo from the system tray before unplugging to prevent corruption. If the phone isn't recognized, first try a known good data cable and a different USB port. Then toggle file transfer mode or enable USB debugging in developer options if needed. You can also use cloud backup or an app like AirDroid as a fallback for large transfers. Remember, consistent cables and permissions solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.